Hi, it's Deb again, and I want to talk to you a little bit today about the do's and don'ts of your adverts for your safe list. One thing I want to show you first is something like this. You'll get into your email, and now this one is not as bad, of course, but you will scroll and scroll and scroll until you get down to the credit link. I don't like doing that, and I'm not going to read that plethora of information they put there. Another thing, if you notice, this is very small. I have seen worse. I have seen some that are so small that you literally can't read it, and that doesn't do anybody any good if they can't see what you're, saying. Now, the first thing that you want to do is your headline. That's the subject of your email. You want to make it enticing. You want to basically put it in a question form because you want to solve a problem that the viewer may have. So try to find, a way to make your subject line into a question so that when you get to the body of the ad, you have their solution. Now, the body of the ad should be short and sweet. You don't need to put all the key points in there because you want to get them onto the next page, and basically your next page should be your landing page, something that we will discuss later. But the point of your ad is to, ask them, a question and have an answer. You can solve a problem of theirs. And when they get to your landing page, they'll plug in their email, and that's how you start building your list. And as I said, we'll get into that later. But another key point, now there's some safe lists that you can't do anything about this, but if you can, font size matters. If you can change the font size, make it big enough so that it stands out, not so big that it's, looks like you're shouting all over the page, but big enough so that people can see it. And if you have a real important point, bold it, change the color, make it red, make it stand out. But you need to remember that the purpose of your advertising is to solve a problem the viewer has. And basically that's it. Just remember, excuse me, to keep your ad short and sweet and to the point. They don't need all of that info because they're going to get it later when they get to your website. So that's it for now. I will have a more in-depth view under the video, for your reading if you want to. So that's it. See you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.